bird on my camera. Oh, go look. Get the fuck off my camera. Bitch. Twice. That fucking bird went on my camera twice. Fuck off. Fuck that bird. Nice save, John. Kyle. There it is. Take it over. Nice. Oh!
Oh my God.
Come on, son!
What did I say, guys? Dan, Steve, what did I say? John still wanted the three, even though they only needed 1 point.
Hey, aren't you? Switch. Good roll.
There's a bird on the camera.
Again? Oh my god. I think it's kind of. Ah! Third time. I delegate. Yeah, roll.
You have to
Here you go, Nancy.
come over for a little bit.
Oh, you gotta say something. I didn't win it.
Yeah, they want to do
Under? Hell no. Ain't nobody. Hell no. Ain't nobody.
I'm gonna get you quick now.
You've been over here when they've been fucking
Oh my god.
making video games.
Oh yeah.
Nice, Dan.
Another strong rebound.
Did you have six?
No, my team had 6.
How about no filter? Oh my god.
Man, I'm trying to get you bitches. Man, goddamn.
Well, you can word it differently at least.
Girls like niggas that's up front now. It's 2015. They're not behind. They're not no little girls jumping rope no more. They want niggas that's down at 30 ready to get pussy.
Oh, it's bright like a ride during lake.
They do.
They do. Oh! Hey, first basket?
Yeah.
Dog, he caught it. He caught that one.
I thought that one. 2 minus 17.
I feel like I'm on travel carry. I'll drop the ball.
You get triple teamed and then you don't pass the ball.
I don't do that. That does not happen. See,
Oh my
whenever
God.
I ever
That was
sit there
really
like people tangle the ball and I pass the ball, that's some selfish shit. I'll pass the ball.
You've
Are
done
you kidding me? That's your signature.
Last year and the year before, that's all you did.
It moves, so you would have to throw the ball behind your head to hit him.
Go. All right, Hudson. When you drive in,
Now I'm talking about Mike who moves and passes you. Now we're talking 3 years in advance now where Jaden actually moves.
we're not talking at all. You're the one that's talking. You won't
I'm
let me
surprised.
talk.
I bet your hamstring burns now.
You won't let
doesn't
me
it?
talk. Hudson, there's not a rule where you start at 3-point line and then you can't pass it out. You can pass the ball back if you want.
I never sure it was.
Yeah, well, that's how you fucking play. You play like you can't move any farther away from
Jaden
the
on the 3-point line. You
I
had
play
no
the same way
business.
now, basically.
No, you start
got
to.
full triple team.
Jaden, you're not gonna
Lie.
start talking me out about a whole bunch of
Go,
numbers.
man. Listen.
What's the gist of the story right now? Please tell me.
The disc, you drive in, hit double or triple. He said just first. Double or triple, you have no shot of making the shot. You don't pass it.
Okay, and where are you at 9 times out of 10 on the 3-point line?
I'm
standing there.
waiting for you to pass it.
You're not cutting to the basket. If you see me triple team, why not cut to the basket for an easy ass lane then? That's a layup.
A lane bin? I don't know what a lane bin
I
is.
said lane then. That's a layup then. If you move.
Either way, you won't pass it. You say if I cut, you're gonna pass it. My ass.
Then if you cut to the basket, I'll hit you every time. See how
You
Dolph
would do the same thing
when I was sitting out inbounding the ball, and Dolph cut to the basket, I passed in the basket. Granted, he didn't catch the ball.
That's different. It's completely different. You're out of bounds when you just did. I'm talking about when you
You know, like I never passed or something.
Yeah.
2 or 3 years ago, like.
I'm not. Nobody said 2 or 3 years
Yo,
ago.
excuse
I'm
me,
talking about right
Shannon
now.
had his hands up. You didn't even throw it over him.
Oh my
I
god.
threw it between his
Oh my
arms. He had his arms
God.
like this.
Dolph, you should have caught that ball. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you.
Whoa!
Swan Nation! Out of the house.
That was Spencer Park.
Get off your foot. Number 45. Dude, this is the club.
It's like Steve in like 5
That's the best player in the world, so very I saw his stats where he said it was like 55 a game.
Oh my fucking lord! You fucking.
You have to buy a scarecrow soon.
I don't know why that.
Because so many different. Because Jerry West was just point guard. Like, no one else was 7 feet tall. No one else that had.
Man. Is it? Minus 20 to 1.
You got no range.
Yeah, the only thing is.
That's a lot.
Play.
Nah, dude. Beautiful pass to Lasher.
There it is. Good shot.
From 3.
Right.
It's starting to make me not want to shoot
Yeah,
3.
shit.
But I was looking down to. They like shooting long 3.
Like
Guys
three.
don't. Yeah. They're running new tables and stuff.
That's right. Nice. Yeah, you Steve. Should be a flagrant one on this guy. He tried to Paul George. Oh, God damn it!
Word. I'm not even gonna hold you.
Dog said when we hooping and I fucking got a phone number, I texted him. Zip it. Let it go back to the chat. Look at the picture. Isn't he bald? Okay, tell me. Is he in hair? Steamboat. He said one time he was at the barbershop. There you go! There he is! Drive in! Get big! Yeah, there you go. Oh my lord.
Good block.
Steve, out here.
Over the bed.
Steve, here. That's fine.
That's a beautiful ball.
Man, this
Here,
guy
Alan,
dog.
drive it.
Ben's just destroying the punch.
Yeah. He was moving too fast.
No way.
Steve, back out. There you go. Oh. Steve is kind of shitty. Yeah.
Got him! That was a beautiful dribble.
Money!
Oh.
Money.
Turn.
Well, no one told me the ball, then they say my name.
There you go, good look. Oh, that's awful. What the fuck?
steal to my fucking arm.
Yeah, get in. Oh, 50! 50! Nice, Johnny. Thank you, Lord. Short. Deep. What the fuck? Yeah. We got one over here.
I got another assist.
Go up.
Suck up, man.
Well, I like this.
That's all right behind you. Right up there.
Oh my lord. Nice shot. Oh shit. Damn it. Big three, that's time. Same team, bitch. Here. Look, back out. Too big.
How did you walk from that side?
God damn it. Back out here. Give me.
God damn.
Team here. There's like 5 of us.
That's what I was talking about. That's exactly what I was talking about earlier.
Did he just call consecutive fouls?
Got a teammate. Got Allen. Hey, that worked. See. Forgot to call there. That's it. Go. It's over! Oh!
Let's go, David.
It's over!
That's fucking net, though.
Oh my god. You really like that rim, don't you? 3%.
Dolph, I'm not in the game.
There he is.
What'd you say, Jaden, with your little slide mark?
You said Mr. Clutch. I said I'm not in the game.
What? Okay.
Tray ball. Get big.
Yes!
Need that.
I'm late here, met you at the party.
You ain't invited.
Tray ball.
Woo! Let's go.
He is blind. He's not dead. Yes! Or 2 ball.
2 ball. Never heard of that.
Deuce.
Oh, that's a beautiful bowl. Oh, that's a beautiful bowl.
Can you?
No, we can't. It's tied though.
Time to end this game.
Oh, that's a beautiful defense.
All right. Shit.
Oh, it's clutch! Oh, man.
I thought I was in!
Thanks. Thanks for that rendition.
Oh.
And this will see if you got the pass!
Oh!